Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus FA5060I. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus FA5060I won't turn on, it can be quite concerning. This issue may arise from several factors, such as a faulty power supply, a dead battery, or internal hardware failures. If left unattended, it could lead to more significant damage, costing you more time and money in the long run. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery or power supply depending on the diagnosis, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the casing. You may need to loosen a few screws with the Phillips screwdriver. Once the back cover is off, inspect the internal components. You should look for the battery and check for any visible signs of damage. If you suspect the battery is faulty, gently disconnect it by unscrewing the screws holding it in place and unplugging any connectors. If you have a replacement battery, install it by reversing the removal process. Make sure to reconnect any cables securely and fasten the screws back in place. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage nearby components. After replacing the battery, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, plug in your device and turn it on to check if it works. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly check your power supply and avoid overcharging your device. Keeping your device clean and dust-free can also help maintain its performance and longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.